Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences.
Today in this video we will discuss about the Link AV600 Powerline Wi-Fi extender setup. With the help of this guide we will walk through the easy and short steps that help to complete the setup process and provide the seamless connectivity all of your workstation. So stay tuned for the hassle-free setup process. Setting up your Link AV600 Powerline Wi-Fi extender is simple and quick. So let's start the setup process. First of all, plug the first Powerline adapter into a power outlet near your router. Use one of the Ethernet cables to connect the Powerline adapter to your router. Plug the second Powerline adapter, the Wi-Fi extender, into a power outlet in the area where you need Wi-Fi coverage. Press the pair button on the first Powerline adapter for 1 second. Within 2 minutes, press the pair button on the second Powerline adapter for 1 second. The Powerline LEDs on both adapters should turn solid, indicating a successful connection. On your smartphone or tablet, go to the Wi-Fi settings and connect to the TP-Link extender network, e.g., TP-Link_extender. Open a web browser and enter the IP address of the Powerline Wi-Fi extender, usually printed on the device or in the Quick Start Guide. Use the default login credentials to access the settings. Configure network. You can change the Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password to match your existing Wi-Fi network for seamless roaming, or customize it as desired. Move around your home with your smartphone or laptop and check the Wi-Fi signal strength to ensure that the extender is providing adequate coverage. If the Wi-Fi signal is weak, try plugging the extender into a different power outlet closer to the area where you need better coverage.
Now your setup process is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.